To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, I'm Harsha Sharma and welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. As all eyes are set on vaccines for a corona-free world, all nations are ramping up their vaccine development processes. In this regard, our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi, on the 28th of November, undertook a three-city tour to conduct extensive review of the vaccine development and manufacturing process. In his tour, he visited three major facilities where the coronavirus vaccine is being developed. These are Zydus Biotech Park in Ahmedabad, Bharat Biotech in Hyderabad, and Serum Institute of India in Pune. To ensure that the scientists get full support for speedy development, Prime Minister Modi asked scientists for their suggestions on how the country could further improve its regulatory process. The Prime Minister expressed pride in the fact that India's indigenous vaccine development has progressed at such a rapid pace so far. He spoke on how India is following sound principles of science in the entire journey of vaccine development, while also asking for suggestions to make the vaccine distribution process better. At Zydus Cadila facility, the Prime Minister discussed the indigenous DNA-based vaccine being developed by Zydus Cadila. At the Bharat Biotech facility in Hyderabad, he was briefed about their indigenous COVID-19 vaccine and its trial results so far. At Serum Institute of India, he took a look at the vaccine manufacturing facilities and came to know of how they plan to further ramp up vaccine manufacturing. Scientists at these facilities felt honored to interact with the Prime Minister and also presented an overview of how they are also developing various new and repurposed drugs to better fight COVID-19. To provide more strength to the vaccine development efforts in India, Government of India has announced the third stimulus package of Rs 900 crore for the Mission COVID Suraksha, the Indian COVID-19 vaccine development mission. This grant will be provided to the Department of Biotechnology for research and development of Indian COVID-19 vaccines. The COVID-19 vaccine development mission aims to consolidate all the resources towards vaccine development. The important objectives of the fund will be accelerating preclinical and clinical development, licensure of COVID-19 vaccine candidates that are currently in clinical stages or ready to enter clinical stage of development, establishing clinical trial sites, strengthening the existing immunoassay laboratories, central laboratories and suitable facilities for animal studies, production facilities and other testing facilities to support COVID-19 vaccine development. The other important objective will be supporting development of common harmonized protocols, training, data management systems, regulatory submissions, internal and external quality management systems and accreditations. Capabilities to process development, cell line development and manufacturing of GMP batches for animal toxicology studies and clinical trials will also be supported under the mission. A total of 10 vaccine candidates have been supported by the Department of Biotechnology so far at academia and industry. And as on date, 5 vaccine candidates are in human trials, including the Russian vaccine Sputnik V, with at least 3 more in advanced stages of preclinical to enter human trials shortly. On this announcement, Dr. Renu Swarup, Secretary Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology and Chairperson BIREC said, Mission COVID Suraksha is our targeted effort to enable development of indigenous, affordable and accessible vaccines for our country and will complement the national mission of Atmanirbhar Bharat. She also said that India has exhibited enormous strength in vaccine manufacturing, and through this national COVID vaccine mission, we are confident that our vaccine manufacturers will develop affordable and accessible vaccines not only for India but the world. As and when the COVID-19 pandemic threat was realized, Indian researchers have been working tirelessly to come up with ingenious ways to tackle COVID-19 pandemic. In this league, the scientists from CSIR's Hyderabad Institute, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology or CCMB have come up with a way to do RT-PCR tests that will speed the testing method to 2 to 3 times without additional cost and resources. Dubbed as CSIR CCMB's Dry Swab Direct RT-PCR method, the method is a simple variation of the existing gold standard RT-PCR method. This new method involves collecting and transporting the nasal swab in dry state as opposed to using the viral transport medium VTM, which makes the transportation and handling of the samples easy and less prone to spillage and spread of infection. Also in this method, the step of RNA isolation from the sample is omitted, which was a time-taking procedure and required specialized labor. CCMB scientists believe that techniques merit hold for all the kind of settings and has the potential of bringing the cost and time of testing by 40 to 50%. This modified method has been published in a peer-reviewed journal by CSIR CCMB so that the global community can also benefit from this. That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We'll be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.